Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to watch the embroidery for the coasters. So for that, the basic materials, as you can see in the video, these are the basic material I have used. I have used the paint color pink and white mix, and then I also use this three threads basically, this two pink side and then one white color. So the code is 90189021 and this is the white color. So yeah, so now let's get started with the first creating the outline. So here we go. So first I created this on a cardboard. So first I just measure that from where I have to just put a circle, because it has to be in middle. So I was just first measuring it, and then I have just taken a simple measure. First I have created a small circle. You can measure it according to your design, that how long, how width you want. Then I created it using the compass, two circle, and then I just started creating my design, that what I wanted to do. So I keep it very simple, very minimalistic, like first a bigger circle, then the smaller, bigger, smaller, bigger. So this was a basic pattern that I have created. So first and all, like I started using the paint. So I mixed pink and white, and then I painted all of my cotton, like cloth, that where I want to create that design. So I started painting that, as you can see in the video. So I first finished with one layer, then I did also second layer, but you can skip it, it's on you. So then I started doing my embroidery. So first I started it with the daisy flower type. So one daisy and one woven rose I have created in this coaster. So as you can see here, I just first started giving the outline base, and then after doing the base I started creating and petals. So as you know that this is the basic things that I used to do when I am creating any daisy flower. So yeah, now I created the petals of the flowers. As you can see in the video, this is a very basic. I taken the white color here for creating this flower. So it was just in a simple flower that I did. So for the bigger one I used this design, and for the smaller circle I used the woven rose. So this is what I did with whole of the flower. And then first I did the outlining for all the flowers that was mentioned. So here I just, my thread was gotten wrong, so I just fixing it with the use of compass. Then I just created this basic outlining for all the design, and then as you can see, so I did first this, and then I started just giving it a petal. So it is a very easy design, as you can see here. And then I started creating again using the same method. I was just putting the flowers over here. So this is all done. As you can see here, this is the last flower that I was creating. So this is the final output. So it's done. Then I moved to the woven rose. As you know that we have to create a first five line flower, and then we have to vertically, like, created a 5 line, and then we have rounded the our thread around it, like alternate thread. Just it's a very simple design. I have given also the tutorial. If you want to watch, you can go to my channel and see it. It's a very basic design. Then same, I followed the step, and then I made the smaller flowers also using that. So yeah, so that's what I was doing. Yeah, so this is it. So doing that, this was my last design that I was creating. So yeah, so you can even put it in the even. I have taken a even. You can choose odd number of flowers, so as depend on your or design, that what you want to create it. So this is it. So now my flower part is done. So now it's a very simple design. As you can see, this is a very basic flower that I have used. Then I started creating a thread for my like middle part. So for the circle, first I have given chosen this white thread again, white thread for first doing the normal stitch, and then I was rolling the thread over it. So this brief tutorial was also given in my channel. If you want to go and watch it in a detail, you can go and check out my simple line thread embroidery, that what I have given in the tutorial. So yes, so this is, now I was just doing the normal stitching, normal stitching. I was just doing it, as you can see. So I have created both the circle using first the normal stitching, and then I rolled the thread over it. So yeah, so I was just completing my circle. Yeah, sometimes the circle becomes like, I don't know what's the issue, but I found it that my circle was not looking like a circle sometime. But yes, when I started rolling the thread, then it's actually take the shape of the like circle. So yes, in this way, that I'm just rolling the thread, just putting the thread between the, like, it kind of like a filling the gap in between. So doing that, it was like, I did the same design on the both circle, on the smaller and the middle circle. Yeah, always make sure that your thread is looking nice, clean, because if your thread is not nice, like as you've seen earlier, then it will not look good. So this is it. This so my design is complete now, and you can use it while keeping when you are sipping your cup of tea. You can put it there. So as you can see here, in this way, just I'm using my coaster. You can use your own. So thank you for watching. If you liked my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye, take care, meet you soon.